All right.
Hi, welcome to the Professor Kev Show. As you can see, I got my buddy Soumil with us from Starrvault. Good evening, my friend. Welcome to the show.
Yes. Good evening. Good morning, actually, for you.
Yeah, a
Thanks for having me.
little bit of time zone difference here. So, hey, before we start talking about Starrvault, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Okay, so I am Soham Kulkarni. I am a second year BBA student in India, and I am working on a startup called Starrvault. Other than my startup, I also read, and yes, that's one of my many hobbies.
All right, so let's talk a little bit about Starrvault. What opportunity did you see? Why did you start this?
Uh, So I've been coding since the ninth grade, and one day I was randomly scrolling YouTube shorts, and a short popped up. It was a dev's video, a developer's video, and the video was like making my own apps because I don't know what the makers put in them. So it was like the guy made his own version of Instagram and his own version of Twitter and his own version of a lot of the social media apps and the necessary services that you need. And watching that, I was like, I can code. Why don't I try? So that's when the idea kind of struck me. And so I just built a basic chat app and I kind of abandoned the idea. I forgot about it. And then, yes. And then I was watching a case study about Zoho, the CRM platform. And in that video, they basically broke down why Zoho is so successful. And one of the many points that they broke down as to why it is where it is was that it's not because Zoho is the best at what they're offering, but rather because Zoho offers whatever they offer as a bundle. You can get individual services, but mostly you get a basket of services. So like you got a CRM, you got a mailing software, a software for managing invoices and such. That's when it kind of hit me. Just a chatting app wouldn't work. I need to make it a multi-service platform. So that's when I kind of changed the chat app and made it a overall platform to house more features. So currently, Starvault has three main features or three main sub-services, which are Star Chat, Star Note, and Star Connect.
So,
Yes.
tell me a little bit more about Star Connect. How does that work? How does that help your clients?
Okay, so right now, I'm mostly aiming for individuals
Okay.
who are tired by the constant news of the data leaks and that data is being misused and data is being sold to third party brokers and whatnot. And so, what Starvault essentially solves is it provides customizable security. Like in Starvault settings, you can choose what kind of encryption you want, and it has a bunch of security features. And I also aim to make it a very graphic focused platform in which like good design basically. My aim is good design and better functionality than most of the other existing platforms and providing just a little bit of perhaps security or comfort in people using apps.
Makes sense. So, crystal ball time, my friend. What are you hoping to accomplish with the idea? What's the ultimate goal?
My ultimate goal is to have as many users as I can on the app. So right now the thing is, I have made the website. The website is ready and it is fully ready to use right now. But the thing is, I haven't really created any videos on how to use it or guides or proper guides on best uses and such. And so a lot of people on the platform right now are just my friends and people I know, and a lot of people that are like essentially tech focused only because they appreciate like the design and how I've made it, I've made the entire website as a single dev. But what I want to do is I want to have all kinds of people on my platform, may it be students, may it be teachers, may it be individuals working office job, whoever, and everyone.
So what's the
And
best
I
way?
plan to,
I'm sorry, what's the best way for
yes,
people to reach out to you? How can I learn more about the idea?
people can learn more about Starvault at starvault.com. That's Starvault with two R's. And they can also reach out to the same email ID, starvault24 at the rate gmail.com. STA.
Awesome. I appreciate you taking a few minutes to call into the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Thank you for having me.